Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in to the video on this 2017 GMC Canyon SLE. Starting here up front, pretty typical GMC styling up here in the front. Inlaid fog lights into the lower bumper there. Coming around the side, you see a 17-inch alloy rim mounted up with a pretty much nearly new, probably 2/3 or 3/4 tread Goodyear Wrangler tire. That is the tire that comes from the factory on these trucks. Body-colored mirror caps, chrome accents along the lower piece of the window. You have your chrome Canyon badging there on that side. If you continue back, you see your matching Goodyear Wrangler tire on the 17-inch alloy rim again. 4x4 badging. This truck is, I believe, called a mocha color. Maybe a different paint name, but it is a mocha color generally for Chevrolet. GMC may call it something different, but it's the same color. Have your Canyon, your SLE badging. You can see your reverse camera here underneath the handle for the tailgate. Your factory hookups for the larger trailer style and the 4-pin lights only style of plug-in, as well as the hitch receiver down low here. Hitting around, all your matching wheels and tires, badging, all of that. You can see up here on your mirror, you've got a little blind spot section in the mirror. Just helps so you don't have to crane your neck when you're checking behind you. Coming inside, the seat is power forward and reverse with a manual tilt adjustment on the back. Power windows, locks, all that over here located on the door in a standard fashion. As we're getting in, I'd like to mention that every car at All Things Automotive comes with 2 keys. This particular vehicle, that's about a $200 value. A lot of people underestimate how expensive keys can be now. So it's nice to have 2 included. Starting it up, you can see the little warning there. It says ice possible. It tells you how cold it is now. And then the Wi-Fi hotspot's connected.
Push the blue OnStar button to activate your trial service and discontinue this announcement.
The truck has just over 11,300 miles on, 11,324 right now. Standard cruise control here on the left, Bluetooth controls on the right, all your climate controls down here, as well as traction control, cargo light, trailering mode, and your hazard signals. AM/FM radio, as well as capable of receiving XM, not inside this building, but it is capable of it. You can also connect to your phone and then play music through Bluetooth. I'll just go ahead and take this guy out. If you look here, it also has a built-in compass. You can actually do OnStar turn-by-turn guidance through the OnStar subscription. All the OnStar buttons to communicate with an advisor, make calls, or send an SOS are located up here on the mirror. Lights and controls for door lights there. Turning it off. Just want to quickly show you the size in the back seat. This is the full crew cab variant of the Canyon. They also make an extended cab. Decent amount of room back here. 2 USB ports, DC power plug, and a little spot for just putting knickknacks or whatever you might have in. Overall, really nice, great color, decently equipped truck here. Some nice features and about 11,300 miles. If you'd like to take a look at the truck in person, maybe give it a drive, you can stop out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Keep checking us out online at thomasata.com or give us a call at 717-485-4224. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that it helped you in your shopping process.